She doesn't have to shoot.
So basically we have a situation, we've checked this gun of course, we have a situation in gun farming where we take this to the side and then we come in here and do all these kinds of things, right? Or different things in that magnitude. So there's a myth, what happens when the gun shoots in this position? Will it hurt my hand? Will it shoot? Will he be able to shoot again? All right, so we're gonna do a drill in a very safe environment to show you that there's no real problem here. So what you're gonna do is you have the mag, or I have it. I have the mag. Okay, so basically we're gonna simulate this and I'm just gonna step aside. Okay, so make ready. Okay, into the front. One hand. Okay, so what happens here is I grab his index finger. Remember, in a minute I'm gonna grab this too and I'm gonna come here. So he can go ahead and shoot. Try to shoot again, nothing. I'm not gonna turn it because he has more bullets in the magazine. But basically from here I can complete the session. And his gun is completely jammed and my hand is perfectly fine. Okay?
Fuerte.
I don't know, huh?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay.